Jano, you come here, man. Alright, so today's video gonna be one of them story time type video there, right? Yeah. It's been a while. I've been wanting to make this story time. Currently in Jamaica. I go visit my old neighborhood where I grew up. Going a little rundown of what the house look like. I grew up in a. I have an old picture of it. It's remodeled now. You know what I say? And it's now like a nursing home. I'm gonna show you how it look, and I'm going to the rundown pan how I lost my father in Jamaica. I know over the years you've always seen me at my father's grave, clean up in grave and everything, but you've never gotten the story as to how he died. And so I'm starting this video now. We're in the month of October, but I'm not going to complete this video until next month. So portions of this video will be in Jamaica here, and then the rest of it will be in Canada. Why? Because I'm going to be in Canada in a few days, right? So this will be his 20th year not being among us. And as I said, I'm going to show you a little preview of where we grew up, where he died, where I was when he died, how he died. Let's give you a backstory before me give you how he died and where he died. I'm going to a backstory on who he is as a person. As I always say in all of my videos, my father was a father. Giving loss, did it feel with discipline. So I saying show tough love. Me never saying love with yet, because I never hear them words about. Show it to him action if he have the last piece. If he come in and my mother sharing dinner, and we would have eat with dinner early on Sunday. And my mother give me a 3 pieces of meat. He might give me a 2, and he take 1, Or sometimes he give me the meat and he just eat him rice. You see me? Man, when he used to work, him work construction work, a man used to just bring me out with him. When a holiday time, I gone with him. Probably that's why I'm so close, because he used to bring me everywhere I go. I had the middle child of 3. But everywhere I go, he carry me with him. So I remember we used to go up on work site and sleep overnight and them thing there. You see me how forward from? Yeah, man. Remember this is the same road where I drive on Shudley Road. Me and him used to walk these roads. You see me? Go out, he used to have a ground over there, so in farm over one place named Mackie. Behind us that we're coming from, up by Shudley gas station. We used to have one part where man do some farming for a man. And over there, so now you normally have a lot of cows, and you know what I say? Remember me used to go out of school, you know, man, and come home from school and see my daytime at the happiest me been. So now I see what Jamaica feel when me there on, because my father used to work 24/7, 7 days a week. He left out from 6 o'clock and he now come back till 7 o'clock in the night. So he was a hard working man. The very rare instances we catch in my yard would be on a Sunday, half day. And go work and come back in half day. And so he died on a Sunday because he was coming from work, and Sunday people for rest, right? So what I try to say to you is my father was a very good man. Good man, the man they will have them money and just, you say you want the money and he give him bus fare and boom drive because he's so well known. You see me? So yeah, I go into more as in who he is, but before that I go show you the journey to where I'm from. So we're currently on the main road going into Mandeville. Yeah, all those who may know Manchester. Up on the hill that you're looking at right now is where I grew up. I'm gonna drive through right there. So this shop right here is where my father died. Right here. Right that's where my father did, people. My father died literally right here. You see me I say? On the ground right there, so. As I say, I'm going to show you a rundown as to how my life went. Wow, whole heap of changes have been made to the scheme. Watch out what this over here, so smart they build up. And gate up, I haven't been here in probably up there, so Ajari them Christian up there, so my father church, or in my berry. Yeah man, I see me grow up people. This is my stamping grounds as they would so call it. Shudley housing scheme. The football field is over on the right. Now I go drive go to my basic school and see if I can show you because I'm here to look for a family friend, you know. Yeah man, the community center. Right, that's how we used to play with football. You see me I say? Yeah man, I'm showing you what I go on people. Brother, go on man, you itch up back at me for. This is my basic school. And I go turn and come back. This is my basic school. They are renovating it seems. Okay. Yeah man, over here to see what apple tree there, you know people. And me used to come and be apple we are pick off of this tree when apple time. Climb this tank and play gun war. This was an old building and they refurbished the community center of recent. Yeah man, so them place I grew up people, you see it? Them place I grew up man. Football field yeah. Run up and down and most of fun as I say. See my basic school there, it is a good look though. They're refurbishing it. Yeah people. They used to have a big metal drum right there, so we used to just stay in when rain and fall and them things. You see it? So as I say, over here, that's my basic school. I'm going to go to basic school, but it's being renovated right now. It seems like they might expand. I don't want a house to put there. Open the school, they might take away, you know. That would just be bad. But yeah man, them street yeah. You see me? Them street how I used to frequent man. But yeah, our place is Shudley housing scheme, top housing. Yeah, my place this born and raised until I was 21 years old. Not 21 no more. From right there so come weird on me all of my friend them yard them. You see me, all of my G them from right back. My friend them yard them and all of them house how you see from both sides. See me I say? Yeah man people. I show you now where me live, you see it? I show you where me live. Right, that's how I used to live. This is my house. Over here so I used to live. You see that? But them turn in a nursing home, I'm going to make a turn and come back. The whole of yes, man, stamping grounds, people. Stamping grounds at our place. All of them are house and my brethren them. All of them are place. You see me I say? Place different. I take a little circle around the scheme. It's been a minute youth. Watch it out that way, dog. Could they? My place is in the people. Yeah man, I'm stamping grounds this man. Could they? Some of the houses them still remain. This is the basic this is what all of the homes look like back then, because it was a housing scheme, like you know, like National Housing Trust would have made these houses and then sell them and people would come in now and fix them up bigger basically. You see me? Persons would come in and just add on to them house and them thing there. But my place is people, my place. You see me? Born and bred. Shudley. And if you look around now, you see all of the house them. How some of them get big. You get my fault from? See I one of my brethren there. I'm gone in now, but I know because I'm on a move as I said to you. Yeah man, our place this man. Our stamping grounds. And I'm a dream of that. Our place this family. You see me? I'm showing you my yard. I pull up right there so because I go check a family friend. But yeah, my yard this. I mean born and grow. Right that's the gate there, one next small gate there right there so. You get where I'm forward from? But see it there? This is my born and grow and gate did there right there, so I want a long red step right there, so. You see me, the wall was always there, but never this good. It was older looking roof, never this nice. You know what I say? No grill never there on the front except the window them. The door there right there, so. That our living room. That my big brother room. My room there on the corner there, so. My mother room there at the back. The kitchen there at the back. 2 bathrooms there on that side there. You get where I'm forward from? And that was our home, man. But we just got robbed off our home, we born and grow. This site, man, now it's a nursing home. Miss this place every day. Tyrone said to me, say, bro, I don't feel at home ever since we moved from here. So, but right there so was our stamping grounds. You see me? But I'm going to check a family friend right now. And then after that, we'll finish up the story.
Several days later.
Okay, so I'm going to continue this video when we reach back at Canada. I'm in Canada. So I have a sweater and everything. Cool. But yeah, November 26, 2004 was the day my father passed. So that has been 20 years today. Today, may I record a video at the 26th of November 2024. So 20 years, I'm going to forget the G, none at all. You see me? In time, them are fresh. Young youth, 13-year-old, them time there. The following February that come up, I would have been my 14th birthday. So my father passing me at 13, at 33 right now. So 20 years later. Never forget the G. You see me? Days might pass, but he never did the man, never remember him. Just so impactful. Imagine that, man. You pass at 13 and you would still remember your right through. You must say that is good, my G. Yeah, man. So, who am a father? Who is my father? Because over the years, from ever since I start YouTube, and I always see me I go and grave and I clean it up and I see a good job and a bag of thing, you know? I don't think me ever tell a story of who my father was. I just want to come and say, oh, my father passed. Without giving a backstory who that brother there was. Father was a stern man. Very stern. Sometimes mom say me behave like my father. I take it as a compliment. Yeah, man, the man that is strict, man. Very, very strict. If you see me, I kind of look away from the camera, it's just like me a reminiscent, you know? Yeah, man, the man that did very strict. You see me? From here, say, wait till the daddy come. Every man shrivel up, man. Them man, they just look for you and you start ball. Them man, they did that serious. You know, if you say nothing too tough. You say, oh, man, your mother talk to you. And you just tense. You used to play marble and dirty up your clothes and from you see. From here, somebody up the road, heal up with that and say, Tassie, what? As I hear that you took off, you know, me, G. You see what I say? Or from you see me come around the corner, you know, because we used to have some dog now, we had from food, daddy come the dog and come out and smell the man just run gone team. So if I see the dog them running, no say what daddy have for out, so we just gone in. Go and take off the dirty marble clothes them, because sometimes we play marble in a red dot and say, oh man, I want to make the mother feel, because you know back then when I had a washing machine, mommy have to wash it in hand and it's a man like this way. Don't ramp with the mother, man. Yeah, man, you can't talk too tough to mommy. You can't give him too much work, make with daddy know. Because probably I'm going to say, oh man, are you wash your clothes or your mother? You think your mother go out there and crab out dirty clothes? So we have to make sure say, yo, we keep it clothes clean. We get it dirty still now, but no make with daddy see. Because I'm going to make with know, you know. You just give you a look, and if the look not satisfy him, I put a lick pan you, man. And in no belt beating, one lick you get in a G out of the heavy hand, you know, because a farmer in the construction work. So you know them and the heavy, you know. But now sit down and say, matter of fact, why me I come explain and I say me not saying my father abusive. My father wasn't abusive. I saw it grow. But nowadays you have to put a filter upon everything and say, I'm not saying it's okay to beat kids, man. Me not personally beat my youth them, you know. But me not speak from a trauma perspective because me used to rude there, man. So sometimes I know say I go get liquor, them used to think they used to make me stay calm and behave myself too. Am I saying if you beat the picnic them now? No, you raise a picnic when you want to raise a picnic. Me used to slap mine them, you know. But after a while, I say, you know what? That's just the ignorant way. Even though that they work with me, not necessarily I go work with my youth. Them. I may have to just do a different approach. Because I don't think my parents them the approach life on a reasoning basis. Them are the adult, whatever they say goes and that's it. Me no want approach life like that with my youth. Them. Yes, me are the adult. Whatever I say, I love it to go. But me also want my youth them to have a mind of their own and an input in what is happening. You see me I say so. Me normally have a reasoning session and then see where we can go from there. So, me not just say, yo, I this and that and it done. Unless them I go come in some irrational reasoning, then I might say I go be the same because me I work off of logics and not feelings. That's what I say. But once my kids them can put their input in the thing and it makes sense, we are go look on it and put it where necessary. You see me not go just shut them down because them are the pitney and me are the parent. No, we not do that something to you them. So think of this will go different. But I digress. But big man think my father was just this brother who works 7 days a week. Hard working. Everybody love that man there. Ever have a smile. When I go to my grandmother say, listen man, when your father come here, come look for me, you know. Them time my grandmother now running water in her house, you know, so you have to catch a pipe and you say your father now left us until he full up every single drum. You say, Mama, you have water? I say, yeah, me have liquor what? Gone. Him a full every single jump fear before he go back on yard. And him a go, then they a farm and him time, him a go a yam ground, go dig up yam and sit in car back home, give my grandmother. And grandmother say, your father now come and lift. And I make sure say me alright. I make sure say he go at the tank, the parish tank, and he walk with bucket and full up every jump when me have around the house before he leave. So more when I see how me did my mother say, yo, I can't blame you, I say your father nothing to him, like in family, you know. You see me was a family man. Yeah man. When I talk to enough other people, I just same thing them I tell me, friends when grow up with, family member I just same thing. It's like even mommy I say right now the whole you get him when you look like a father, it's like I see so much of you and him. It's like he gone but in there. You see me? Remember, you know, man, he used to have me everywhere with him, you know. That's why I love farming and them things because I used to work on a farm where you do planting and raise animals, you see me? So every weekend when I go to say I'm not have school, I go with him on Saturday morning time. You see me? I used to excited to go with him because them are the only time I get to spend with him. When him a work out of like in the Mandeville era, the son he used to we call it something. You know, woman do living work, but man sleep on site when them a do construction. And you know, you have one shed or one room in one house, one a remodel. He used to sleep on site and me gone with him. So na summertime, I gone with him, you know, man. When for me brother them now come, me gone. You see me? Because I know say sometimes we work with some rich people have some big old yard with fence right round, be a fruit tree. So I used to run up and down and sometimes I meet some little friend and we and them a ramp and sometimes I me alone did it and with the workman them and probably that's why I just have the old soul and I just can reason. But one thing used to irritate me about my father and my father me come be the exact thing when me and him go up on the road, man. That man was a celebrity in his own right. If I didn't know on social media that time in that famous man, like myself, I mean, I tell you, if I go with my daddy, sometimes I say, I love going with my daddy, but I don't like when we're up on the road, the man tap every single minute. As in tap, you have one 20-minute conversation. As in walks, my day tapping, people know the man all about. Yeah, man. People know that the man they all about, man. So probably me up on the internet and you have some couple friends out there where all I watch me and not even know say other man they are my daddy. Because I don't think me ever call his name pan yes. I don't really have a picture and that's why this whole YouTube thing born because when my father passed, you know, when I have a picture I more than one little ID blurry picture back then and then couple about 10 years later. I think I did about 2014 them time there. One I'm friend give one picture with him panny. But it's still kind of blurry. So anybody out there with no picture of my father will have you in a place, man. Reach out to me, man, and Give me a copy, me I beg you, me not a picture of my daddy. Me can't even show my kids them what their grandfather look like properly and they say, okay, that's my grandfather. Can't really show that. So that's why I develop a love for pictures because my father did me realize when I no picture in the house. No picture of me when me a baby, none of them things there. You see me? I saw me one for me pick up the first camera, I be a picture me just a snaps. And they move from picture to no videos and that's how this thing was born. I never just get up and just a record. Me been at this for a long time. You know, just get up and come on YouTube. And there's a reason why I take picture because I never had none of my father. And I say I don't want that to reach me and my brother them and my mother. I want to have a picture of each other. So every chance I get, I'm looking at my phone right now at 12,000 pictures. Be a picture me I take. You see me? But yeah, man. My father was this type of man who every walk man in top man. People know the man like crazy. I find myself for the same thing because I'm up on the road. Every walk somebody know me apart from YouTube, from me I grew up till now. Every walk say the same thing. I never like the blouse or skirt. And the same thing them come back come catch me. You see me? The man think they just different. Different. Yeah man, remember one grand market, you know. Cause every grand market, in a grand market time, me and my brother them, my big brother used to carry me and Tyrone. And it's true I will go on Monday and go meet with daddy and workplace for a grand market and he might give me for my grand market money, my brother fee him and Tyrone fee him. So how he do it, probably them time they know $1,000 per month, I give my brother $1,500, he might give me 1,000 and he might give Tyrone 5. You see me? Mark you know. He done give mommy grocery money and he done buy we shoes and things, you know, cause one thing when food father they alive, you know. We have to get with shoes and everything every Christmas. After time pass, mommy still manage to keep it up, but you know, say twice a year we would get shoes. You see me? When I school for September morning, and for Grand Market we get one going out shoes. And the going out shoes I carry go right back to the next December. But one thing we get enough are slippers. Because we used to pop them out for the regular. But we guarantee say we are gonna have 2 shoes, you see me? When my father did alive we have more than 2 shoes. Sometimes we have 2 school shoes and more than 2 going out shoes, you see me? But after time pass, you know, mommy alone I deal with 3 boys, so I 2 shoes a year. One for September morning, one for Grand Market day. You see me? And that have to carry with shoes. So if you mash up your shoes, me I the only one who used to have my shoes, you know. Because means I want. Me now put on my shoes, go up the road so unless me I go up and me I dress up. Me I put on that. You see me I say? Yeah man, so yeah man, I'm father alive. Did we have church shoes or anything that me can't recall? Me not gonna tell a lie, me can't recall. But them man they just different man. No matter the argument to them man that my mother have. He just I man mother begs. I come and I put on with lunch money, I put on with grocery money as Friday comes so. If that man they work 5 grand, me not think me that person, I can't do that. Take care of my family, but me not think me that do that. But I lucky for him. My mother wasn't a foolish woman who just spend. My father will get 5 grand for him pay. Just using that as an example, because I don't know he used to get for him pay. You will get 5 grand for him pay. And $1,000 for him fear if you go back to work. And my father will give my mother 4 grand and keep just in fear alone. You hear me? And sometimes when he end up with in fear, a man will beg him a money out in fear. And he might give them because when he go down the road, he can't get a ride to work because people know the man like that. The man will get in fear, man. And boom, a ride. I saw them man they set. And I find myself set so. But them that trait I think I want to draw away from because them think they will keep it broke. I know say a good heart thing, you know. But sometimes you have to know your limits same way because that can keep you in a poverty if you don't know what you do. So I take a lot of traits from my father because I give me last. But I start realize myself these days, say, yo, you have to know where you do. Because remember, I have youth where I live for too. You know? So if you give everybody a last, what I'm going to left for them? You see me? So, much as I admire and look up to my father and I'm my first hero that, I'm probably my only hero to this date apart from my mother. I want to unlearn something I learn from him. Like them things that like, he just selfless to the point and just put himself last. Remember first time, you know, man. You know, say, mommy is a woman used to cook early on Sunday. In the week, after our father that she used to cook late. Me never remember how early she used to cook until my father, until after recently. I realized mother used to cook early on Sunday. So by 2 o'clock, you done eat dinner. So by 6 o'clock, come hungry and poison, you know. My daddy have 3 big old chicken in one plate. Them man, they like, you know, more so vegetarian food. Just give me fish. You can't make no sitting there give them the man there, you know, no Kool-Aid and tongue and syrup, you know. Every Sunday, you know, is a carrot or some strong juice, peanut, something strong. I have to make her. I tell the mother, say, oi, I'm realize I do these things with Jamir. I say, listen, man, I give my son no foolishness, you know, because I know I make him back weak. No, I see why my dad that defend my back so much. God, the man, they want God, kids, Father God. Couldn't make a GC in Grand Pit to them, man. But yeah, may I tell you, say my daddy now, the man there has to be a strong back juice off me. He say tell my mother say, yo, don't get no put no black pepper in a boy them food. Then I give them the tabija water. To this day, don't know what tabija water, you know. But I think I when you develop a heap of water around your scrotum or your testicles. You get me on forward from? You say, you know, you get the boy them the tabija water. What? Probably it's an actual word for it, but that's what you used to call it. Or stoppage of water. But then say tabbage of water. No, we talk about Jamaica. Anyway, yeah, man. So them man, they say keen pan diet. When you see me daddy, man, vascular, muscular, rip, 6-pack abs. When you look at nine leg, them you see every muscle, you see every vein. Because again, in the farming and in the construction, Jamaica school. So you know, you do the heavy lifting, you see me? Yeah, man, but my daddy, as I say, back to the argument, I digress. Because the man that did more so the vegan type. When at time you could cook no pork in the house. If you do cook pork, you can't put in your food. My father not pork. He raise hagan in kill hagan in sell, but you know no pork. You see me I say? Even the one in passing, they have in here growth. In favorite saying was ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. That of him favorite saying, and he used to wear beer. Every time he must say ice green and gold, everything when you look pan, you have on the Rasta bracelet, you have on the cotton tam there, when they use out a knit, we have the black and then the Rasta color, and always wear Rasta things, and you know, even in here low, the man is always bush up, you know, love trim. But handsome, so when that man got a barber, come on, man. Mommy no want let him alone, you know, man. Because the man, they are fierce boy, you know. Me tell you, you know. Yeah, man, my father, that fierce boy, man, what you say? And worse than them, man, they get their hair cut and sing. Imagine somebody only cut their hair once every 4 months. When he do cut in hair, a problem, so when he go plait up in hair and he trim up in beard. Imagine my beard. A baby beard, me I compare to my father. My father have them hairy skin, man, there. You see me, and mommy, if we don't have much hair, and mommy will get it from where they may touch mommy upon his leg and say, right, my mother. And this a then girl want to then have to shave mommy skin ball like a me hand miggle. No hair upon his foot, nothing. But my father be here. So if him beard grow come weird on us saying and them and come way up saying, you know. So you know saying full of hair and the hair thick. As a man cut their hair grow back in about 2 weeks, man. Tall. You see me? Me get the thick hair from him, but me get mommy type of hair when I grow quick. And then man, so they line up his beard and fade it down and him plait up here. Handsome, me I tell you, man. Handsome piece of boy. I'm sorry, say camera never see, never there on. You see me I say? Well, I see what time it is. Yeah, man, so remember my father in such a positive way, man. On Sunday, as I say, we eat dinner early now, we hungry now, we know that can't count. Remember that woman he just cook. No Sunday, only thing I left back for Monday, I lick rice. Mommy not cook enough meat, man. You just cook enough for everybody get them two piece. My daddy having 3 pieces of meat on his plate. So no come. And so we just gone around him because we know where going. And the man they will take out every food out and plate and give. Sometimes he take out the 2 pieces of chicken the man and give. And I say, yo, you just can't wait for him come because we're hungry. And every time we go to the mom, I say, move from there, left for the father, make eating food. He say, loud the pit in them man, me ain't come. And I find myself stay the same way. If Jamie eat and we only cook just enough, and he come and say, daddy, I'm hungry, I can't sit down and eat in front of him and again. I know some people do it, but I never run him and say, move from there, eat the food. That was my father. Nah, run away. He would take out 2 pieces of meat out and plate and give and eat the one. You see me? Remember so clear the man is afraid of rice, especially if it's not hot. If the rice cold, a be a hiccup in get me, I don't know what cause that, but if the rice cold, he hiccup from now till a morning. I know what if a rice give me in ground provision and in dumpling and them thing and in banana. You see me? Yeah, man. And give me strong juice and in vegetable. That did a same thing. When you come up and dumpling, the man, they don't want a white flour dumpling. A whole wheat dumpling you want. You see me? When the man they cook, sweet like a rat, I don't know if it's sweet because he so hardly cook. And because of mommy cooking, mommy cook good. Don't get me wrong, cook excellent. But when the father cook, man, it come like He might give you that bush cooking, that man cooking, the way you cook with no only for island. You know what I say? And in cooking dumpling them and when in cooking stew chicken. Yo, remember one day when I just a touch high school, you know. I come home from school, because I know sometimes the school was shift system. So I come home from school 12 o'clock and I go see my daddy. And the happiest me be, man. Happiest because I say, watch it. You don't see that. Because only time you see your father, I would tell dust up at night, him a come home, because them man they early, you know. And mom tell us saying raising animal them, so the man out of them bed at 4 or 5 o'clock a morning time, you know. Go and tie out the animal them, you know. You see me? And then after I'm done in Ghana work, you know. On the weekend in Ghana in farm, you know. When they sitting there things slow, construction slow in a farming in Ghana, you know, so never not working, the man they ever they go. We may that be in our community, my work, I help out somebody in them yard up there, so there's some farming. Or he might do something, then the man they nasty down. You see me? But he wasn't the best when it come on to the money. You just to give my mother the money. And my mother would deal with the furniture and the food and them things. But as I say, if my mother had the type of just a be a food, then would have gone to the dirt, because my father don't really care about everything. And the man work the money and give. My them pre-players say just live a life. You know, care for no savings. Whenever I see my father drive it, I see him having bicycle and them things over the years, you know. He call himself ragamuffin. If you know them type of man, they like a Rasta man, they will just believe in the earth and just life, and they're not vanity driven. You know, so I know say them family good. I just them type of man, you see me? Yeah, man. So I always see my father as a strong person. There are 2 times in my life I never see my father at a weak point in my life, or with a call him down time. And I went in that come from in ground one night and I riding bicycle. And in bicycle drop off a one hill and roll it him go way down from one top road to one bottom road, you know. And the bicycle slipping at the night there. And he roll down and the chain, the spokes on the bicycle, the thing where the chain depend on the bicycle, bust the back and foot. I forgot a doctor and then stitch it, so you see when I pain that time there, you see me? And I think one next time he did do some heavy lifting and he get boasting. That I would swelling in the testicles and he get boasting and he have to admit. But even then, you never see nobody, but you know, say it's a downtime for your father. Man, the one time I see my father really and truly the woman and all the nothing. You see me? And I think, what else? Just them 2 times that I can think when he drop off a bicycle and he get the boasting. And even one thing when may sound so weird to you, but it's a vivid memory of mine. My father used to have one cut in his back, you know. But it just, you know, it come like when you pierce the ears and you know, heal fully, have one little hole. And we used to just go there and squeeze him more and then you could see him around out. Like, when he come and say, me and my brother them fight. I don't know if my brother remember. We used to fight for who I go squeeze with daddy back. With the little hole in the panic, I little sitting there, you know, when they have. Like I go the pierce right there, and the heel now, you know, but you know, fully closed. So you know, so something in there can squeeze and you get a big scar somewhere in his back. I remember mommy they heat up scotch bonnet pepper leaf and put it on it for heal it because the cut could get better. I don't know why they cut him there, but the cut was there. He had the scar, but he have like a little needle size hole left back in his back, and the scar they kind of swell up on the skin. Why Jamaica not reach it? How I go on and say the bus? The scar they kind of push out on the skin with a little tiny hole. And I tell you, we used to fight for squeeze it. Every time I say, yo, we used to say, man, I used to call him, man. I used to say, man, I make you squeeze, you know, man. He say, no, man, lower me back. Next time you sit down there and he just knows say bring me dry. Because when you squeeze, you see white skin must curl up so not come out. You know what I say? So, just the simplest of things just used to make me happy, man. Again, your father used to work so much. So when you get to see him, it's like, you're happy. I feel like I have one love for my daddy when I never had since my father did me and my mother become more closer. But I did closer to my father. I say I'm close with my mother, I did closer with my father when I young. You see me? Because I say, everywhere I go, I carry. So today is not even a sad day. When I reflect, it's just a joyous day. Yeah, he might pass, but he's still there in our heart, man. Well, I can't speak for myself. It's just a joyous day. If you just look back and just see the man with the man that he be and the impact when you have. Respect people, hard working, take care, as I say, no matter what that a man there and my mother have. Cause we are boy, we know what go on. We hear the cussing go on. You see me I say? We hear everything we go on at the house. Sometime I want him, I never hear. And my mother and father I make love. Never. Me never hear that yet. You know sometimes I walk in, but never walk in for my parents yet. Probably if he left up to my daddy, because a woman man, you don't know, but my mother just so, you know, respectful and said, no, nothing can go on. Mommy say that to me even though say, yo, when you know liquor, nothing can go on when you're in the yard and I forgot in school. But we never, that's something where we never get scared by, thank God. You see me? But as I say, my father was it, man. Man, there was the man. You see me? Apart from little 1 and 2 troubling here and there, because my mother tell me every day, say, phone daddy, one thing with me, just love woman. You see me? Love woman bad. You see me? But different from that, man. The man that is just respectful, helpful, kind. Everybody you know that the man they rate that the man they may tell you. So today, G, next month your birthday, want to celebrate the realest way, but you don't know. It's just a reflection. Should I be a yard right now for, you know, pour some juice for the G grave, but clean up in grave for him nice and neat, man. And that is another thing. I know say my fault if anybody they pass, my father go be that type if you just make sure they're good. So if you clean up my daddy grave at the least, me never get to sit down and drink a drink with my father. And do not with my father, but I am here where the least me can do a clean up in grave and give him a nice paint coat in the future. I want to give him a headstone and tile him out and you know what I say? Make sure it's 1000% proper. But for now, we just go and paint it and visit him and clean it up. Cause the man they deserve it, man. And it's so funny, even the very night, Jamaica bus just pull up. Then late by 11 minutes, I don't know why, but I ask him. But even the very night when my father passed, you know, come at me feel it to my bone, me know exactly what I go on, you know. Yeah, man, that is a story, man. Should I drop that story? Should I drop a story on my father passed? Because I say today mark 20 years since he passed.
Okay. Even daddy.
Even my boy, what go on? Why you bus so late?
Huh?
Why you bus so late today? What go on?
What?
The bus. Yeah, should I reach us from 11 minutes ago? What did I pop off?
She's a supply again.
I want supply bus driver there?
Yeah, it's been a supply bus driver since all of last week.
Oh, lucky though for me though. What pop off this, sir?
Oh, Jose, because it was just normally out, and then Jose seen it and he started biting.
So your brother bite up this, sir?
No, yeah, bite the little string. You didn't even see like that little string. He bit it.
I fix it, my great. What is?
The rope is gone. I never seen it on the floor or anything. I never seen that rope again.
I just get this. Hold on, him. Supposed to have something else. So hold on.
Daddy?
Yes, sir.
What about the V?
This something like this. Your mother will deal with that, my son. I can't deal with that like that. I do a video, hold on. Put on the seatbelt. Your mother will deal with that, may I tell you?
It's just...
So nobody there say beg. Your mother will deal with it. I don't know if you do, she will deal with it. Put on the seatbelt, man.
I have to go in the store. You'll see a V-Bucks gift card on the shelf.
Your mother have if you deal with it. Stop pressure me like country food. Put on a seatbelt. Stop bother me.
But not pressuring. You just have to buy a
But me, or if you say it's not pressuring, I'm telling you that you're pressuring me and you are telling me say not pressure me. You are pressure me. Stop bother me.
But mommy said you're gonna pick me up today, and that's why.
You will get it. Stop worry yourself. You will get it.
There's only 3 days left till it's over. This special occasion's over.
You and 3 days left, right? So 3 days not done yet. So relax yourself. You go get it. You get it. Yeah, relax. Put on the seatbelt. And work it dirty so.
Because I fell while playing soccer.
Put on the seatbelt, man. And give me a minute there. I'm going to see if I can finish up my video.
In the car right now.
Yeah, no, yeah. So maybe I make my video, so I push up a face to my thing. You know? So maybe I make my video, youth. I tell the people, them say today, make 20 years since my father passed. Yeah, man, today mark 20 years. Jamie, go to my camera, please.
No, November 26th.
30 hours.
November 26th.
Yeah?
No, didn't you die on November 22nd or November 25th?
26th of November. Yeah.
Bro.
November 26th in
I want to see
Pass.
my grandpa's, bro.
Huh?
Wish I could see my grandpa's. They both died before I was even born.
Yeah, I know, man. I say work, my son, hush. Trust me, based off how your mother said about him father, I know say he would have be a good grandfather. And it's so funny, like, if Alisa father died 1 year before my father. Alisa father died 2003. My
No,
father
2001.
2001. Our father died.
Yeah.
Eh?
Yeah, he died June of 2001.
Well, Jamaica would know more than me. So Alisa father died 3 years before for my father. My father died. Alisa father died 2001. My father died 2004. So today, as I say, mark 20 years exactly since my father passed. And how did my father pass? I know there's so much different story around it. I can't only tell you my point of view. Everybody have their own point of view. It was a Sunday. It was a Sunday night. Let me make sure it's at the 26th. Let me go back. You know,
I
Sunday
don't think it's the 26th. I think it's the
If I-
24th or 25th.
If I know the 26th or the 28th, but I'm pretty sure it's the 26th, my son.
Oh, it's the 27th, I think.
No, 26th. Relax, man. I gotta go up on the calendar right now. So I go backtrack to.
Wait, you have a calendar for the day?
Yeah, man, Fran, you go back.
What about when he was born?
Fran, let me show you something. I know him born the 15th of December.
He died a year before he turned like some age, but
He was
No, it's
45 when he died. My father would have been 60 something, you know. See there? 2004, see? November, one Sunday. Ooh, I know today then. At the 28th.
I told you it wasn't today.
Yes, the backside. So November. Why am I mix it up with the 26th? Why am I mix it up with the 26th? Because he died on a Sunday, which was the 28th of November. Is it?
I don't know. Like it's
Yes, so
why
it was a
you,
Sunday.
Like, it feels so weird that you're
2004.
it feels like you're just like you're not celebrating it, but it's like when it's the day, when it's like the day, then you talk about it more. But when it's his birthday, you don't. Like the good day.
No, me talk about his birthday.
You do.
So when I'm father's birthday, I always talk about his birthday. What I'm saying is it come like when you're born, but that was his last day, so I always have to remember. We always remember traumatic things that happen in our life more. Remember my birthday every year, but when it reach November time, I go always remember say it was November my father passed. Does that make sense? So it's not like me I try to remember just the bad days, but it's like a day when me I honor him. Just like when you honor somebody for their birthday. So I honor him for 2 days. I honor him for the day he was born and the day he died. Because those are the two most significant days in a person's life. When they born and when they pass. Not saying when you pass is a significant day, but it's your last day on earth. Just like your birthday is the first day on earth. You get me? So I always remember the day him pass, but I always celebrate when I'm birthday. Because even 1 year I was in Jamaica, I went to clean up his grave on his birthday, December the 15th.
Wasn't I there? And it was like I was just sitting there.
No, you never did it.
Was
That wasn't his birthday. You did it in the summertime. His birthday at December. I'm born December the 15th. You understand what I say? So I was totally wrong. See, Jamaica come correct me because him are the history man. You know how me forget that? Why am I mix up the 26th?
No.
With the 28th.
2 days earlier.
Because Sunday, November the 28th, 2004. He died on a Sunday.
What?
So it was the 28th. You know what, I'm going to finish that story next time. Because I don't want to say the story of how he died with Jamaica the writer. Because you know how your grandfather died?
Yeah.
Oh.
Pretty sure it was probably a distance from our house to here.
Not Alice, I talk about Fimic father.
Oh, so what happened, I think he was going to his little farm area or whatever, I'm pretty sure. And then someone killed him or something. I think it's that, and then the dog started crying and stuff a lot.
So you have an idea, so
something.
So you see, even though my father passed, I always make it a duty when Jamir know who his grandfather is. What's your grandfather name?
Oswald Morris.
Oh, that box you up if you don't know it. But yeah, you have to make it a point of duty to say know who his grandfather is. Even though his grandfather passed way before even when me have basically female age. 13, but close to your age. My father passed and him still
Uncle Tyrone
was your
8.
age.
Uncle Tyrone was 8, and I'm pretty sure.
Andre did a 17.
Oh, he was?
And me at 13, yeah?
What? Uncle... Oh, wait.
He was
Andre
17.
was
17.
17?
Yeah. Because he's 4 years older than me. So he was 17, I was 13, and Tyron was 8.
Yeah, if he's 4 years older than you, wouldn't
17.
he be 18?
No. Because I was 13. 13 and 4 at 17.
Oh, yeah. I was
So
thinking 4 plus
and then Tyron at 8 and me at 13. I'm 5 years older than Tyron. All of us were like 4 to 4 years apart, basically. All of us. So I call you and your brother them have a big gap. It wasn't such a big gap. It was a 4-year gap between all of us.
A big gap for Jari
6
and
years,
that small
7 years.
for Jari and
Yeah. But yeah, so it was a Sunday, man. It was a Sunday, we go so boom. And I day home and I can't forget them time the Shrek come out. You see me? Sorry, Shrek come out and then my brother front room and the whole of it them me, I think my cousin Kenisha, and my next cousin Rowan. Then at the room and mommy they left that Sunday they eat dinner everything cause I go back again and tell you so we eat dinner early. Mommy share out for father, do food, share out for him food and put in the oven. Cause them time them when I think with a microwave a belly so I remember. But them time them with share my father food and store it in the oven pan the stove. Now cover up him food and put in the oven until he come home. You see me? And we did it this Sunday and mommy gone look for one of her friend. Down a wall that stand here at the so. She all away there at the yard now. And Jamie, stop that. About after 7 now we did it. Lie down and me I watch Shrek. To this day I kind of traumatized when it come on to Shrek. You see me? Did I watch Shrek. Sit down now and stop distract me now you. I sit down, I so carrying. I finish up my story, man. I sit down there. And me I watch Shrek, you know. And me hear BAM! My bigger brother Andre, him did dip on the road. Cause I'm 17, so he dip on the road up at one shop. Me and Tyrone there home. My cousin, my 2 cousins them there home. Cause my 2 cousins them they live with me at the time. So I thought Kenny and Rowan they live with me at the time. So 4 hours there in the house. I just know me, Kenny and Tyrone alone did there in the house. And I think Andrea, we had a cousin named Rowan, them did it up at one shop. You see me? So boom now. Me hear BAM! So I say, what that? And in my head, I say it out loud. There was this brother in our community. Everybody know him in our community. We used to call him Farky. You see me? He have a license gun. So whenever time in junk, when he go to the shop and he drink and he junk, he used to always just randomly take out his gun and just start fire some shot. Up to this day, I don't know how they never take away his gun from him. Because reckless with that gun there. Because one, you must make you have to give account to every shot where you fire. And you just by random times when in junk. He was an educator. That man there was an educator. Having a license firearm, because you don't have to protect him thing. So sometimes occasionally that be drunk, you always a bus shot and them thing. So I made the first bang. The first shot to go off. I made the first bang. And immediately in my head, I remember I could not make this up. I'm 13 years old, I understand what I'm going. And the first thought to come to myself, I say, in my head, I say, yo, I wonder if a Farky junk and a fire shot and shoot my father. That was the thought that coming in my head, you know, people. I'm not telling you no lie, you know. You see me? Because why would that thought just come in my head? And then me hear, BAM, BAM! After that again. You see me? And then we just come back to watching TV because you don't really know what that, but that was a good little distance from me. Then about 10-20 minutes now, them time the one of my other cousin they live on the front part of the house, but he kind of separated from our we there. Him baby mother Sharon run come around and knock we up and say, when you come, something bad happened to the father. She never tell me exactly what going. I mean, I appreciate that to know as a big man because if he just say, oh, your father dead, that traumatized me worse. You see me? That traumatized me worse. He never tell me like that. You see me? And when he say that, everybody just run out of the house same time. Because I say, something happened to your father and I'm only remember at the beginning of the video, I show you party happened. I'm sure the distance to where he lives, so you know, say about one good 10-minute walk there, so. And we run out of the house barefoot and a blaze and a run and breathless, and same time I reach to one intersection. I see for my brother and film friend them and my cousin a run from up a shop because them hear about it. Can you know say at Jamaica something happen so? Everybody here. You see me? So me I run from out of my yard, my brother I run from up at the shop when they and my mother they down a Walder stand and friend. So the whole of we just go meet up. You see, by the time I go so boom and bossy corner. And I look down at the shop because it was like a hill. You see me showing you the hill. When I bust the corner and look down at the shop, you know, I just saw me see people, man. One big old crowd. I remember me have Tyrone and I run towards the crowd, you know. Nobody not there for hold back as little people. Like, why don't make we go there so go see all of that? You see me? Run, go there, you know. And finally get to part the crowd and see what I go on, bro. I tell you. My father that me see lie down for the ground. You see me? And them are saying dead, man. I say me start ball, you know, man. If my brother start ball, me start ball, mommy no reach it. Everybody start ball. You see me I say? Tyrone now get free. Come an 8-year-old. And him back up. And me I call him and say, come look for your father. See, and me so young now realize say me I traumatize him because he see him father there so. You don't want to see all of that. You see me? Me not even want to go into the details of what me see. But as a little you're not supposed to see that. You see me? You're not supposed to see that as a little youth and then I hear everybody around here talk how it happen. So me now as I say, me now go too explicit with how me see him and them thing, but me never did see that. Tyro never did see that. My brother we never did see that. But at Jamaica we did see it. You see me? I remember, you know, when mommy reach, you know, mommy grab him and start bawling, you know, man. Also, because father name as well, you know. They call him Tazzy. Mommy start ball and hold him and say, come where I go home, come, get up and come where I go up. I talk to him like nothing happen. Alright? Yeah, man. Jano, why man? Jano, youth. So I tell you this, I say this story so much time, but if I realize it still affected the way I'm son. Hush. Hush, man. Hush. Jano, youth. Come here, man. Life. You can beg you do for me? Hmm? Hmm? You see me the young? Young like you? Hush, hush, my son. You see me the young like you? See me the young like you? Me never, I mean to traumatize you with it. That's why I say I'm not going into details as in what happened. You know what I say? It's been 20 years. I don't know him, but you know him. You know? But you see me the young like you, I never understand life. So my biggest prayer, because we don't know what can happen in life, you know? My biggest prayer. Me know you're young, but me know you understand. You see me? So my biggest wish ever since me lose my father was for God to just keep and protect me. You see me? So more than that for be your prayer. For God just keep and protect your father. That's how I try to live. My father live a good life. He wasn't a person who give trouble. But it was just one of those situations where happen once in a while. That is a very unfortunate situation. You see me? It wasn't like your grandfather was a person where used to trouble people and get trouble. You see me I say? Yeah. How would that? I see him bus that coming on so. I bus that see me?
No, it's a different bus. It's
Oh.
at different times.
Watch my son, man. If it affect your son now, I ain't know him 20 years later. Watch, man. But just know say your grandfather was a good person, you know? What happened? Wasn't film fault, and that I think me I talk his story. Me always attack the story. But let me ask you a question. Because you start crying now. What is it that make you feel away? Me ever thought that story before? Huh? Me thought the story before, right?
Mm-hmm.
I guess you get older now you understand more. Alright, I ask you a question. Why you cry? Why you cry? Me no want to assume, me ask you, why you cry?
It's not like it's just like it's not like 'cause I already know stuff like this like happened.
Mm-hmm.
But just
Talk to me, man. May I listen? Talk to me. I want to understand where you are come from. I want to understand where you are come from.
just like I don't know. Just it's not like I don't know why I never got to see any of them. Why? I just want to see one of them.
Can I say something to you? Me have to be realistic with you. Me know you hurt, so you never get to see none of them. But take it from me. You see, me can't speak for your mother, father, right? But your mother will tell you. But me can't speak for my father. Because I know him. Just know, say, it's the same as how me love and me take care of you. It's the same as how mommy love and take care of you. I say your grandfather love and take care of you. Because your grandfather, they love we. Love kids. You see me? Sometimes I ask myself why him never live to see me become an adult. But only God alone know. Me can't change the facts in meet your grandfather. But just know so when you talk to me, you talk to your grandfather indirectly. Because your grandfather is I'm like a splitting image of my father. Me kinda look like my father, sound like my father. So when you talk to me, how me deal with you, that's some my father that stays. So you don't meet him directly, but you meet him by knowing who your father is. My father never know him father. Fortunately for me know my father. Yes, he passed when me young. 20 years later, I still hurt. And I think the reason why I hurt even more, if you know, say, he come and he hurt you as my son. You understand what I say? But just know, say, you talk to me right now. Anytime you talk to me, come like you talk to my father. Because my father would look like me and sound like me. You understand what I say? And just know your grandfather that love you. You never get to meet him. So guess what you do now? Can I tell you what you do? You see, you have your two grandfather passed before you're born, right? So guess what you do now? You show the love to the ones that you do have. You have your grandmother by your mother's side and your grandmother by my side. You show your grandmother them because don't cry say I wish if I had shown my grandmother's love. Show your grandmother them that love the way you wish you didn't know your grandfather. Because God still, even though you don't have no grandfather, you're still blessed enough to have your grandmother them. You understand? So you show them the love. So, me not have my father, but me still blessed enough for my father, mother is still alive. That's why I show my father, mother so much love. You understand? So you can show your grandmother them that love where you wish you could have shown your grandfather them. You still have your great grandfather alive in Jamaica, which is your mother grandfather. Call and talk to him and show him that love the way you wish. Because he's still a grandfather. He may not be your mother father, but your mother father. So you still show them that love the way you have. You understand what I say? I know your fault, I know my fault, I know for them fault. Life is like that. You see me? It is unfair, it is cruel. But we understand life. We know you understand life. I see why you cry. You not cry for the fact, say, because I know I not say the story to traumatize you. But you cry for the fact, say, you never get to meet them. And people, as I say, this, me just sit down and say, I hope so me get this done before Jamaica come. But I always say this in my video. You see, Jamaica write me couple letters well when me there Jamaica, I read it out too, no? You write me a couple letters well and like the things that my Jamaica write tonight is just crazy. Me tell my son just very intact with the emotion. My son intact with the emotion and me feel that is a good thing. Me stay so when me young. Me still intact, alright? Them talk to me tears down my eye. He intact with the emotion and me feel that it's a good thing. Me just for once it intact that means you can control it. Me rather than cry it out more than keep it here. Me tell him if you don't cry. No, if you feel pain, cry. You rather you cry more than go do something random and stupid. You see me? And he know why I cry. So I'm not going to tell him if you tap it crying in my man. No. There's gonna come time in your life where as a man you have to cry because you feel pain. No say it go. Yeah man. But you have to also know there's a time for crying, there's not a time for crying. This is one of them moments. If you feel the pain and you feel like crying, you let it out. Because crying is like toxin, you know. You have to let it out of the body. Just like if you're happy, no, I'm not going to tell you, say, don't laugh because you're happy. Not true. So if you feel the pain, I know where you're going through, my son. It was nothing planned. But my son there, so, he's very emotionally connected to that because right now, Jamir do, what you call it something you research, man? You call it something you research? Family something? What you call it? Ancestry. Jamir go for ancestry and Jamir find every single one and mother family member them. He can't really find mine because again, my father died before my father born. So we don't have much information and then true again we grew up at Jamaica and Fim grandfather by mother's side was here he's Jamaican but he lived here in Canada, so most of the records are there so you can find more information upon him. You see me? But when it comes to my father now,
Well, there's not a lot, like the family kind of knows and stuff.
on your mother father side?
Yeah, there's not a lot, but like some people in the family kind of know, like one of her family members, one of like maybe his, I think it's his great grandmother or just his grandmother. I think she lived like 100 something years.
So Jamir have a family member which is his great grandmother who lived to about 126. A great grand aunt. Somebody, Jamir family member them on the mother side, they live very long. And on my side, my family member them on my father side, I can't say I can't really say much for my mother side, but on my father side, his family members live very long. Cause my father and mother, where you see me go visit her Jamaica more, she's 87 years old, still doing everything strong.
Well, she said she was 87, but we figured out that she's 88.
My grandmother?
Yeah, she said she was 87, but right now she's actually 88 because grandma's brother, I think he was born like April 1st, him. Isn't he my great uncle? Yeah, so him. He knows lots about the family. He said she was born in 1835.
I'm not talking about my mother, and I talk about my father, mother.
What are you talking about?
My grandmother who is alive.
Yeah,
no, but mommy brother is enough to call my grandmother mom. I talk about my father, mom, who is still alive. You met her before.
Yeah, she's 88.
Yeah.
Because she was born in 19.
No, but you're saying my uncle give you information, but you can get information from his mom, not my other grandmother. Cause me have two grandmother, one by my father's side, one by my mother's side. My mom died, but my father mom is still alive.
Oh yeah, so him, he knows like her birthday.
You don't know my grandmother's birthday, you know his mother's birthday. So probably I tell you say his mother would be 88. Not my grandmother who is alive. You understand? He's telling you. So probably my grandmother on my father's side and my mother's side, both of them would be the same age, but my grandmother is still alive. She's 87.
Yeah, he said she was born April, like
he's talking about his mom. So who I'm talking about is my father's mom.
Oh, I think he thought I was talking about his mom.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's why I'm gonna get that information. But yeah. So Jamir very intact with what I go out with the family tree and he just like myself he just want to know, you know. But whenever that plan for this become what it became, but regardless if me say it in front of Jamir or not, I put out this recording, Jamir that watch me YouTube because he's one of my biggest supporters. He made me start YouTube, by the way. Jamir made me start the cooking channel and then from the cooking channel to the vlog channel. So yeah, he's very influential in my life. He's young, 9-year-old. But me I tell you this on camera, take off your foot off of my car. Or sorry, our car. But me I tell you this right now as my son. Come here. I tell you this right now because my father, they love me, but me not thinking they tell me certain things. So me have the opportunity to tell you, I tell you. I need to remember this. You inspire me. Yeah? You make me want to do better with myself. You make me want to do greater. So I just hope say you believe in yourself, youth. You understand? I want you to believe in yourself and know say you can do anything you put your mind to. Because I see that, and I not just say that because I'm my son. Because anything at all you put your mind to, I see how well you do it. I know you have days I call yesterday where you feel frustrated when there's something and you not get the answer where you want. But just be patient with yourself. Take a breath. Walk away from it if you have to. And then go back. But don't give up on nothing where you do in this life. Anything worth having, it's not going to come easy. Just like you play the video game, you're going to lose. Life is like a video game. You're going to lose enough time. But if you stop, you will never win. But if you continue to play, the more you play, what you do? You become better. And the better you become, you have a better chance of winning. So you have to look upon life just like a video game. The only thing is, you only have one life in real life. So you have to protect that one life with all of your might. Don't make nobody threaten you and try if it hurt you. Don't hurt nobody, but defend yourself. You see me? Protect yourself at all given time. But me know when you give up, and just know say your father love you, I love you. I always tell you say I love you, but just know say I love you. And I believe in you, but me believing in you won't help you. You have to believe in yourself. You see me? Me never get fear them things from my father, but I know my father they feel them way, but he probably never know if he express himself. And that's why I want you to learn to express yourself. If I do you something you don't like it, you express yourself respectfully. You get me? But me see as a great youth, I know what you're going to do, what heap of great things. I don't know what you're going to do yet. I don't care what you're going to do. I'm going to happy for you and I'm going to proud of you. Once you're not nothing, that's bad. Once you choose to do something good, even if you say you want to be a chef, I'm going to support you. If you want to be a football player, I'm going to support you. If you want to be a firefighter, anything you want to do, once it is legal and once it is righteous. Because I'm not going to support nothing that is against God's will. You get me forward from? So, just go and do the right thing, my son. Know your father love you. Know your everybody around you love you. You're a great youth. I want you to understand that. You see what I say? Yeah. I know how you feel, but just know it's a part of life. You see me? Just pray for me as your father. Say, God, give me the strength and guide and protect me. So your kids can meet me. You see, I'm nice and awesome and handsome. You want your kids to know their grandfather, don't? So make sure you always, I'm not going to say make sure, but I'd love for you to include me in your prayer anytime you pray. I pray for myself, because you know, say there's no, everybody can pray for you, but guess what the most important thing?
Yourself. Pray for yourself.
You have to pray for your own self. So I'm praying for myself, but God answer younger kids' prayer more than anything else. You pray for your brother, you don't get one, you get two. You see me? You always have pray for your house. That will come one day. So pray for long life and prosperity over your family and yourself. Not just me and your mother and your brother, but pray for long life and prosperity over you, your brothers, your mother and your father and your family members and your friends. You see me? You pray for long life over them. Sometimes you have to pray for all the enemy, but stay far from them. You get my forward from? Yeah, man, so. Sorry, my son, I just a part of life. But you're smart enough to understand life. And I know that. That's why I can have the reason there. You know, I don't feel like you're too young. I'm not going to tell you too much, you put too much pressure upon you. But I know you're smart enough. And if you have questions, ask. Nobody have the questions, man. Try to figure it out on your own. I'm afraid to ask me because I'm not go box and kick you down and say, don't ask me nothing. I'm going to tell you. So no matter what, when you become a teenager, anything I go through as a teenager, I've gone through it, bro. So don't be embarrassed to say you don't want to tell me because I know everything where I go on. All teenagers go through the same thing. So if you go through teenager, if you have problem with your girlfriend, if you have problem with your body, tell me. Don't keep it to yourself, because if you keep it to yourself, you only try to figure out something where somebody go through it can help you. You see what I'm saying? Yeah, man, if you go through, I mean, I go say where you go through in a puberty, but you will know when that time comes. When I start go through puberty, if I hear a grow on the arm, if I anything I go through, and you don't understand what it is, you ask me, because I know. And I will tell you, I don't feel embarrassed. Because the same thing where happen to you, where go happen to you as a teenager, happened to me already. So I know what it is. So you just know, say, I always have somebody where you can come to and talk to. You can't, yeah, and like me the type of person I gotta tell you, say, don't ask me nothing, no. Anything at all you're not sure about, I rather you ask me than go ask somebody else. You see what I say? Yeah, man, just know your grandfather love your youth. And that's why even though at 20 years now my father passed, me still visit my father every day. Because I remember the things him when he used to do for me and teach me. He may not have told me directly some of the things him, but I was one of them person we love we, and me know he love he never know him I gonna have grandkids, but I'm pretty sure he knows the grandkids are gonna come one day. So me know he love you. He love your brother them. You see me? I know you have your grandmother, your two grandmother them, show them that love that you wish you could have showed to your grandfather. And I know your fault are just part of life. You see me? Part of life, my son. Part of life. You only have control over what is happening now. So you pray for the ones that you love and who are around you and yourself. And left the rest to God. You get me I say? And even if you pray for something that not happen, that means say God not answer because what is to be have to be regardless of how I go on. But when you pray, prayer can help things much better. You see me? Just know that, man. I carry in. As I say, my people, yeah, that is it how, would I say, Jamaica come correct me and say another 26, so the 28, but it is still close, 20 years. And if you don't see me in the street, I'm a paranoid. That is one of the reasons I'm not really me very cautious. I think after my father passed, I developed anxiety. My heart used to race fast. I never understand it as a little youth. You see me? And when my mother carried me to a doctor, the doctor them asked if something traumatic happening in my life. And my mother said, yes, he lose his father. And they said, oh, he developed anxiety from that. I remember first time he used to have to try catch my breath. And you see me, I said, if me hear one loud noise, because going back to what I said, I heard that bang that night. And so every time I hear one loud bang or somebody run come, that's why if right now, if my mother if call my phone too much, I get upset. I say, mommy, don't call me too much. Because they don't call me too much, I feel like there's something wrong. You get me? Because I just that trauma response from my youth. But over the years, I learned to control my emotions again. That's why it's very important for him when I cry at a 9-year-old, for me teach him and help him to navigate the emotion. Because not far away as man, we don't have nobody out there to tell with these things. And again, that's why this channel exists. You see me? So, me can show and him can use back this channel as a reference. You see me? Yeah, man. Let's say him a go through something and me not did it at the moment. Just with the cooking channel, if I cook something and him a call me and he can't get me, he can jump on my cooking channel and know, so, oh, daddy, did he cook this? If I go through something and me not able to explain it to him in details, let's say I go through to buy one vehicle, for example, but me not able to tell him how to buy the vehicle at the moment, he can go back to my channel and look upon it and say, oh, daddy, did he do this? So, this, you get me? So these are the things why I make these them video. Yeah, man. So I just one of them things, them people like father, just any type was just one of them great man. I mean, know the major question. Yes, you know he died by shots, but you don't know how. He wasn't one of them people where wow can't get trouble. As I say, I never start out by how he died, but I start out by telling you the type of person my father be. Just a loving, kind-hearted, giving person. You see me? But how he died is then come for, remember me showing that the video, then come for rob the shop or something. Because I'm say many different story out there. Me never know about, me don't know. I give you my version of me here as a young youth and I come up on other people and say, but even though there are many different versions, they all make sense. So the person them come for, my father come for, because I tell my father work 7 days a week. See? He might come from work the Sunday, you know. And I don't know if I stop. Some people are saying stop at the shop. Forget, I always bring food, snacks home for weed. Saying stop at the shop, forget some snacks. Some people are saying stop for buy weed. Because my father was, as I said, the Rasta lifestyle, he smoke hard. Saying stop for buy weed or something out of the shop. Over there, I ask myself the question, why stop there? But we'll never know why. And can't question God. Life just happen. We have to just move on and try live our best. But yeah, you go at the shop, you come off of the bus from Monday because I come from work, you go at the shop. Up and leaving the shop now, some people are coming for rob the shop owner. You see me I say? Whole heap of story they around this and then come, they know the shop owner for a long time and whole heap of thing did that go on. Whole heap of different story, but then come for rob the shop, right? The man them come for rob the shop now. One of the man of the group know my father. You see me? Because my father heal up the man, but my father never know say that the man there's a gunman. So now the other people them were in the car with the man after my father heal up the man. So then can't leave my father behind because him going to be a evidence to who robbed the shop. So that's how my father end up. Because one heap of people did that, my father alone end up losing his life. Other shots went off because my father is stand up with one of his friend. And so when my father got shot, the friend that was next to my father run off and then they shoot that friend. That person up to today, that person is somewhat mentally gone a little bit, you know? Because after I witnessed his friend get shot beside him and died, and then he got shot, it affected him mentally. So
He survived?
my father's friend survived because he ran. When my father got shot, he ran because he didn't want to get shot too, but they shot him in his butt. But it affected him mentally because he got shot and he saw his friend died. So it affected him mentally. So now he has mental issues, right? Mm-hmm. So I saw him, but when I'm talking to him, it's like he's not 100% there, you know? So that was what happened. And then I believe the shop owner, uncle, was there at the time. So I think about 2 or 3 shots went off here because they shoot at my father's friend and run. And that was how it happened. My father wasn't a criminal. Was a law-abiding citizen man who worked 7 days a week. But you know the typical saying, wrong place at the wrong time. And so when me see people, no matter if me and you grow together, I don't see you a couple of years well, I don't know where your life start up to. So if I see you up on the road, I know you, I'm in a car to you, but I feel like I go like better than you. It's just that trauma response where rather you see me and heal me, because see, if you see me and heal me, if you know say you're the bad and you see me, you go want me to see you, so you go kind of hide for you know want me see if you know, make me know say me see you the bad. But because my father now was, as I start the story for tell, so my father was a people person. And I develop them things there, but I still do it with limitations. Because as I say, you just see these men pull up and you recognize one of the men in the group, you don't know say them a gunman. So you just heal up in bridging. Like you see a bridging, yo, what go on? Father say, yo, what go on? Where you do you so? And them a talk, but one of the person I care say, yo, you know this man? And the man I say, yeah man. I say, yo, we can't let him because I'm go be the one to say, and them can't do the robbery. And so when the man I go shoot at my father now. The brother say, yo, don't shoot him a good youth type of vibe, you know? And so, you know, when you're part of one group, you gotta have one hot-headed person where no matter what the group say, them are gonna do what they want to do. And that was the outcome of that night, you know? And up to this day, I talk to my grandmother about it. She feel away because I think even recently, that same situation happened to one of our church sister, and she have to go there and comfort the lady. And, you know, my grandmother died very recently the other day. But yeah, as I said, different version, but it all ties back to that. It happened that my father recognized one of the men in the group, and so they didn't want. So my father was never a man who walk and give problem. But in my criminal, and yes, people dead, and what make them do this? No, I just simply, that was the situation. Because in my community, that was the first killing what happened in my era growing up. Not my era was a calm little community. You see me? Calm. No problem now go on a full place. That was the first. Anything for go on like, you know, back then when we were younger, you hear say, oh, the old man around the corner just got old and died. That was the only thing. Or, you know, car accident or something. But it was never anything along that line of my community. Probably years after that, 1 and 2 of that would have gone, because even up to the other day, one of my friend, father, lost his life in that same community. Again, people, they may know or whatever the case. I don't know what happened inside that, but as I said, before that, I mean living there for 13 years up to that point, and then one next 10 years after that, nothing ever happened. You see me? Community was just one of them peaceful community there. Yeah, me know people hear about Jamaica, but no. My community was never violent. It was just one of those peaceful community. Up to this moment, going in my community, just peaceful. I feel one of the people living there quiet. You see me? But yeah. And to answer your question, and the people in question, it's not again, me know me say it, but I celebrate my father, I celebrate my father as an whole. You know what I say? So I not celebrate say he died, but when they call you call it a memorial, so you're remembering them. You get me? You're remembering them, you're showing that respect and remembering them. You see me? So yeah. Me don't want to stress you out no more. Me know it's a sad moment, but for me know it's sad for me, but listen to me, my son. You see for me? Yes, my father passed. It don't affect me as much anymore because it's 20 years. But you see for me, even though, look for me. So even though your grandfather died, guess what didn't die? His legacy, who he was. Because you can sit on yourself as a 9-year-old and cry because you know who your grandfather is. That's how you have to live your life. You have to live a good life. So if one day we come and we pass, we have our grandkids them and cry over we. Our great grandkids them because we live such a good life. You see me? If my father was a bad person and was a bad dad to me, I wouldn't tell you about him and you would even not cry. When you hear about my father, I say, oh, I heard I had a grandfather. You wouldn't care. You get me I say? But because you know he was a good person, that's why it's good to be a good person. Because even when we die in this life, we are going to forever live because of the person who we are and the impact we have in the world. You see me? Yeah. But, oh yeah, come, we're going to kick some. I'm going to kick some football? Kick some football. No worry yourself. Come in. You eat your lunch today?
Yeah, I ate both.
I'm a son that, man. I'm a G this. I'm a G. I'm a G with a J. Jam time, you see me? Big up my son, man. Good boy. Wipe off my face, my son. So, yeah, that was it. More stories to come. One of them day I'm going to tell you how I reach Canada. But big up my father, man. Tazzy, a.k.a. Oswald Morris.
Oh, wait, they call him Tazzy?
Yeah, man, they call my father Tazzy.
Oh, I think they call him Tazzy because his dad's name Tuzen or whatever, remember?
No, that his dad is Tuzent.
Yeah, his dad's Tuzen. So what if they call, like, basically Tuzen Jr. basically?
Oh, probably. Probably. Me don't know. Me can't really say much. But then call him Tazzy. He was a little bit short. I guess Tazzy, you ever watch a movie, Anik? You know Tasmanian Devil, you know that animal Tasmanian Devil?
Mm-hmm.
You know the movie with Tasmanian Devil always spinning. That's I don't know if that's how they name. I don't know why they call him that name. I need to find out, But they used to call my father Tazzy or Chaplin. You see me, yeah. So my close friend, them, all his close friends died. Also, one and close friend me know were alive. Two and close friend, but one of them were alive right now. He used to come and help me clean up the grave, and remember me that tell him just today and just reminiscing. Just a jar, man. My father was just that man. Good man. Famous and popular out there, but famous and popular in a full home and our community, and it's a celebration. We celebrate him. So even though he died, one thing they couldn't take, they were taking life, but they couldn't take who he was as a person. So that live on through me, live on through Jamie. I'm pretty sure Jamie are going to tell film kids them the story about their great-grandfather, though. Because you know your great-grandfather. Only thing, I just hope I can get some clearer picture with him, I mean, I have a picture like that with my father. So I want to get some picture with him. I have a picture like that, you see me? So like how you can look on your mother, father, and know how exactly you look. I don't have much picture of my father because back then we're poor. We never had a camera to take picture of ourselves,
They have like their family photo and stuff.
We don't have that. We never have camera back then. Yeah. Our family never have camera.
But then how did you have that little photo of him?
Because strangers, people would take picture of him, and then over the years people would just give us one. And the only photo we had of him when he died was his ID. You have a ID. You know what is an ID, yeah?
Yeah.
Only that alone we have with him. So that's the only photo we had of him at the time. Couple years later, which was like just before, a little bit after your born, one of his friends found a photo with my dad in it at his house, and he gave us that photo. I have that photo right now, but it is not the clearest. So as I'm saying, anybody know my father? As I'm saying, they call my father Tazzy. Right near my Oswald. He used to there around Mandeville and he used to work with the Sinclairs, them a Sinclair Bargain Center. He worked with a whole heap of people across Mandeville, Sparlings, Christiana, Mobay, Kingston. My father work all over. And like a short man, in dark skin, but not too dark skin. Well, Tazi, Oswald. You see me, we call him close-knit in our family, we call him Mania, called True Tazi, and then they have the Tasmanian devil, so we used to cut it short. So me and my brother them and my mother, we call him Mania. You see me? So that's our little name for him. Nobody is not call him that, but in kids them and my mother, you see me? Only we alone call him Mania. But Tazi or Oswald or some people that say Ozzy. Remember this lady used to live across from when he come from England, Miss Ivy and Mass Orrit. They used to call him Ozzy. Oswald, so they call him Ozzy, you know? But great man. Big up my father. As I said, the least I can do for him, when I go to Jamaica, the least I can do, I just clean up him grave and paint it and make sure it look good for him, man. Because him deserve it. Good father, him play every role in my life, and yeah. And him make me be the man who I can be today when I take care of my youth them, because my father never miss a beat when he come on to we. The man they love and take care of we, so me have to just there and I carry the baton, love and take care of my youth them. And my greatest hope in life is my youth them can come and take care of them youth them. Take care of them family, take care of them kids. Because that is the way to go. For you have a family and you have kids, your duty as a man is to make sure you them good. Financially, physically good, mentally good. So you cannot just give your kids money and feel, oh, my kids are okay. You have to play with them like come and play with you. I may not have time to play with you all the time. But when I have the time, I go play with you because the kids need that. You know what my father used to do? He never really have time to play with me, but he used to carry me go work. He used to carry me go and work. So you see me that carry come to my studio and he did that with me sometime. So my father used to carry me go. He used to do farming. He likes animals he loves animal used to love him. So he used to carry me when he had up on him farm. He used to make houses. When he make houses, he used to carry me go with him. So even though he may not have all of the time for you, then make time for them even incorporating something. So my father never tell me what I do, but I just see what I do. And I just apply that. So I apply through seeing, not through hearing, because my father was talkative, but I don't think he used to express himself like how me express myself. Alright, could be wrong. But me never hear it from my point of view. Because I never hear my father tell me say he love me yet. Because back then, people used to be afraid to show love. You know, say your parents love you, because they make sure they take care. You know when somebody don't love you and they abuse you. You know your parents love you and they make sure so you eat, you bathe, you have clean clothes. You know what I say? If they see a problem, they come to your rescue. You know they love you, they look away. Then they not abuse you, they not beat you every day for no reason. So you know they love you, but you never really hear that word there. So when we reach a high school, I start learn differently. Remember when even I come home and look at my mother and I say, Mommy, love you. I think my mother did ball and I tell her that because even she never hear that from her family. So I can safely say me break that generation curse there. Whereas my family never do certain things, but me break that. I tell my son every single day. Even though I tell him say I love him, he not answer and he say, oh, later. But me not watch him. Because I will tell him mother saying love her, but he not tell me. But it's okay. Me I go tell him.
Still do.
You not tell me that.
Like,
and once in a while you tell me, move your blouse and skirt.
But like I don't like say.
No, me know you love me. Me know you say. You say it to me sometimes, but when I say me, make sure me tell you every time. Probably me tell you. Probably me tell you say me love you to the point where you see it now you don't even care.
No, but mommy says it to me all the time.
And you will say back to your mother say love you too. But when me tell you say love you, you probably not say it back. But which is fine. Me understand. Me just say to you, say you grew up on hearing that somebody love you. Where some people, nobody never tell them that they love them. So they don't know what that's like. But you know what that is like. You understand? You know what love is like. So therefore you know how to show love because you know love. So what I did there, you know how to show love because you know love. You know what you call that? You call that hold on. Me the Englishman, hold on. Pun. You call that a pun. You're in an English class now, you learn these things, right? Yeah. So you learn about pun. Pun are words that you use to play on words. So if you hear somebody say pun intended, that means you intended to make a pun. You hear pun? So pun are words that you use to play on other words. So you hear me say? What did I just say before?
You said
you know how to show love because you know love. So it's like you're using a word to that rhymes and that plays on the word that you use. So you know how to show love because you know love. You know? So pun is a word that you used to play on other words. Which other example me can give of a pun? See this conversation I go and hold different way. I some mistake. I love English language. So if Jamir says something, I always a correct him. And to the point where him says I correct me, you know. It's just a whole thing. So now I'm going to end off the video on a positive note. My son I go kick to football before me carry me in and kind of cheer up in spirit a little bit. You see me I say? But yeah, big up on yourself. Thank you very much for watching. As I said, this is the first me ever talk so extensively about my father. What better way to do it? The 20 years, this time 20-year memorial, so to speak. Next month in December the 15th, I gonna be his 60. I think he's gonna be 65 December come. He died at 45, so December come my father gonna be he 66. Because he died at 45, couple weeks before his birthday. So yeah. My father would be 66 years old December.
When I came in the car and he said it would be like that just number doesn't sound right. I know it's in the 20th, but just
not the 26th not sound right. Yeah. So yeah, he died on the 28th of November 2004.
Because
today are Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So almost falling back on a Sunday. So this Saturday coming will be 20 years, but me did my mistake things here today.
25 my favorite numbers.
25 year number, eh? But yeah, man, that is it today. Tuesday, Wednesday.
5 is my
Thursday, sorry. Thursday I come, I gonna make 20 years, but today at Tuesday. But regardless, it's his 20-year memorial, and then his birthday is next month. On the 15th of December.
Like, you know how like Sunday's like a godly day, you know? Like I don't really like everything happens like for a reason. So like I think it was like maybe a Sunday because like it was supposed to happen. Like I don't know. Like maybe it was
me don't know, you don't know, but everything happened for a reason. We would want to question life, but God already know the day when you would go born way before me, your parents know say you are gonna exist. God know the day when we are gonna go, but we have to make sure say we have life, so we live the best. You play football, give it your all. You go to school, you give it your all. So you don't left school, and when you go to high school, you regret that you never enjoyed yourself in primary. When you left high school, you regret that you never enjoyed yourself when you don't want to live your life with too much regret. So guess what you do? That's why I tell you, don't rush. Don't try to be an adult too soon. I used to rush. I used to tell my mom, I can't wait until I become an adult so I go and have my own house. No, my son. You have your mother and you have your father. Enjoy your life. We not rush you. You see me? We not rush you. Be a kid. If you want to run up and down and laugh and flick and turn idiot, just not turn idiot. That a pun again. You know, you get what I say? When I say turn idiot, like you just do silly stuff. But then I say don't turn idiot, because when you say idiot at Jamaica, that means say you're not in a sense and you just make craziness happen to you. So you may just use pun again. So if you want to jump and turn idiot, that means be silly, but don't turn no idiot. That is a pun, because I play upon the word. You still get it when I go through school. But yeah, that is it, my people. Me I go log off. If you do enjoy the content, leave a like, because I'm going to say many more story time. This is my second story time. My first story time was how I became partially disabled. Check it out on the channel. And one of them days I'm going to tell you how I come to Canada. That is one story that you don't want to miss. So make sure you leave a like on the video and you subscribe to the channel if you're new here. You know, because you know me always I tell you. Sometimes I listen to me enough to tell Jamie certain things kind of too young. But me not think it's because people used to treat me like me too young, even though I was so advanced and ahead of my time. If you're young and you can absorb information, I'm not saying traumatize the kids, because I'll never give Jamir the details of what happened with my father to its core, but him gonna know the basics of what happened, if that makes sense, because I know he can manage it. He might cry because he just wish if he didn't know them. He not really cry because me I tell the story, whatever the case. He just a cry so he never meet them.
I'm not crying because of that.
I know like you know how he died, because I always tell you. But it's just sad saying never get to know them. You see me? That is it. Because again, my son is emotionally intelligent, and if a child can do something, once it's not where I go harm them, teach them. And that's how I always approach it, because I say have the brain to learn these things. So I now wait till, I not gonna say, oh, I wait till I'm 15 before I tell him. No, if he can learn now, I'm gonna tell him no. And that will help him even more to be better advanced and even be ahead of his peers. So that is it. I chat too much. I go log off right now, but big up my father, big up God, big up my son, and big up me. You don't know the thing. We are going to kick a little bit of football. I now promise you we are going to turn out to do long enough. Probably about 5 minutes out to do count. You see me? 5 minutes. This weekend we can go kick more ball. But people, big up on yourself. Show some love to your loved ones. May I tell you, if you have a father in your life, see me, show your father some love. You see me?
Remember, don't I have a book of like your life or whatever? Remember I made that little comic thing?
Yeah.
You came to Canada. Sure.
But this is my book, you know. One day I'm gonna write an actual book. But this is my book right now. My YouTuber, you see me, I record this. This is my book that I'm slowly writing. You see me?
If you made that book, it would have like more detail, obviously. But because it was supposed to be your birthday, Mommy was just telling me.
I could tell him what I go on. I could tell him what I go on. Tell him what I go on. So once again, thank you very much for watching. You see, until next time, safe travel pan in gravel. And go and big up on yourself. You know the thing. Go. You have to work hard.